All right. Yes, unfortunately, the laptop was shut down. So I request all the students to please come and join through this link. I have to wait now. I know a lot of students might be waiting there. It was a live chat was going on. Let me see if students are joining there. Uh, Yes, yes, Adnan, you're correct. So please ask the students to come here and join here. Let me see whether you all are so attentive that you are paying attention that live is no longer working, and this is the next live which I've just created a link for you all. Let me see how many join and how many join as quickly as you can. Let me see. Okay, you people say that English is so important, and you wish to study and you wish to learn. Let me see how quickly people join here. Okay, yes, yes, let me see how quickly you people join here. Till then, quick, I think I was doing question number 19, so I need to begin from there. All right. Okay, please share this link with your friends, because we are going to proceed with it. All right. Okay. So without wasting any time, okay, as many students join, it's fine. Um, Question number 19 is the heading or the subject of a notice should be A, not to be there, B, be brief and catchy. Yes, 19 I did not do. So again, we are doing that. The heading of the subject of a notice should not be there, should be brief and catchy, be long tail keyword, none of these. So अगर notice लिख रहे हो तो notice के जो top में heading होता है, come on, heading needs to be brief and catchy. Heading होता है notice का, and that needs to be brief and catchy. It should be something जो हम लोग को तुरंत attract कर जाए, and it is something which is very short and precise. What is the salutation placed in the notice? Notice में salutation का मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, salutation का मतलब क्या होता है? Anybody? Salutation means um, dear sir or dear ma'am. Okay, hello sir or hello ma'am. Notice में hello sir, hello ma'am नहीं लिखते हैं. So this is not going to happen. Yeah, the correct answer will be of question number 20. That is option number D. There is no need to write salutation in notice. Okay. Which fear of his life? Okay, now we have entered literature part. So now we have entered literature part, which is which fear of his life does Douglas talk about in the essay? All right, so now quickly, students, I want more and more students, because later on they tell me that, ma'am, I couldn't join the link because I did not know this was happening. So quickly, please upload the link if you can and share the link. Let me just do it in 1 second. Um, just a second, okay? Okay, yes. Fear of water. Okay, the set 3. This is the set 3 which we are doing. Okay. All right, all right. Okay, now I'm not taking my own time. I need to come back to the question. Yes. So that which fear of his life? Fear. William Douglas had fear of what? Fear of water, fear of darkness, fear of fire, or fear of night. Which fear did he have? Fear of water. So yes, the correct answer is fear of water. Now coming to question number 22. How old was Douglas when he decided to learn to swim? How old was Douglas, William Douglas, when he decided to learn swimming? The options are 10 or 11. This is what I have given in this book. So if you see this book has both term 1 and term 2 syllabus. So the questions will be the questions which have come in your model paper are also based on this. So majority of questions have tallied. So please go and prepare from this as well. Now 10 or 11, 11 or 12, 12 or 13, 13 or 14. Kitna similar options diya hai JAC board. So what will be the correct option? Exactly, the option is option number A, which is 10 or 11. Coming to the next question, which attitude of M. Hamel surprised France? M. Hamel का कौन सा attitude है जो फ्रांस को सरप्राइज किया है? A, soft and kind, B, rude, C, rude and strict, D, firm and strict. Okay, which is that attitude of M. Hamill which surprised France. Soft and kind, rude and strict, rude or firm and strict. कौन सा है? Option number A, soft and kind, because teacher जब बहुत ज़्यादा strict होती है, and when teacher smiles in the class or is very soft with you or is not scolding you a lot, that surprises you. Okay, so yes. Why did Sahib and his family come to India? Sorry, we will come. We forgot the question number 24. When people are enslaved, what key do they have to the prison, according to M. Hamill? जब एक इंसान स्लेवरी में होता है, जब उसको बंधक बना लिया जाता है, नौकर की तरह ट्रीट किया जाता है, तब एक इंसान के पास क्या एस्केप होता है, क्या चाबी होता है, क्या की होता है? ओके, the options are their behavior, their power, their will to fight, their language. So what is the correct option? Yes, एम हैमिल के अकॉर्डिंग एक इंसान के लिए की क्या है जब वो एंस्लेव्ड है? ए देयर बिहेवियर, बी देयर पावर, सी देयर विल टू फाइट और डी देयर लैंग्वेज. Okay, yes, excellent. The answers are coming in. What is the answer? Yes. Yes, exactly. The correct option is D, which is your which is their language. Exactly. Why did Sahib and his family come to India? Why did Sahib and his family come to India? They liked India. They were expelled from there because of communal violence there, because storms destroyed their homes and fields. साहिब और उसके फैमिली इंडिया क्यों आए थे? क्योंकि इंडिया पसंद था, या फिर उनको निकाल दिया गया था, या फिर कम्युनल वायलेंस हो रहा था, रिलीजन में वायलेंस हो रहा था, या फिर वहां पर जो स्टॉर्म है उनका हाउस को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया था? ए बी सी डी. कम ऑन, आंसर. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ए बी सी डी. यस, correct option is option number D. Exactly, option number D is the correct option, which is the storm destroyed their house. The storm had completely destroyed their house. This is the correct option. Okay, where does Sahib live? Sahib is from the story Lost Spring. Where does Sahib live? Simapuri, Dhaka, Manipur, Patna. प्लीज इसको ध्यान सुनो. सीमापुरी ऑप्शन नंबर ए, बी ऑप्शन नंबर मणिपुर, सी ढाका, डी पटना. ये नहीं पूछ रहा है साहिब कहाँ रहता था, ये तुमसे पूछ रहा है साहिब कहाँ रहता है. वेयर डज ही लिव एट प्रेजेंट? सीमापुरी, मणिपुर, ढाका और पटना. ए बी सी डी. Again, I'm saying it's not asking you where did he live, it's asking you where does he live at the present situation. So that you need to answer. Simapuri, Manipur, Dhaka or Patna. Yes, the correct option is option now come on, Ukraine mein nahi rehta tha. This is not fun, Kishore. Ukraine people are dying there, so you cannot make fun of it na. You need to understand that. Okay, so please usko dhyan rakho. Manipur is not the right answer. Kabhi Manipur, kabhi Hajipur. सही आंसर क्या है? Simapuri is the correct answer. Option number A is the correct answer, which is Simapuri. Where does Sahib live? Which is the center of India's glass blowing industry? इंडिया का ग्लास ब्लोइंग इंडस्ट्री. अब ये जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर नहीं है, ये लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग चैप्टर से. फिरोजपुर. ओके, सो देयर इज अ ट्रिक क्वेश्चन हियर. फिरोजपुर, औरंगाबाद, फरीदाबाद, फिरोजाबाद. सो सारा एफ से है. फिरोजाबाद भी है, फरीदाबाद भी है, फिरोजपुर भी है, एंड औरंगाबाद है. सो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? ए फिरोजपुर, बी औरंगाबाद, सी फरीदाबाद, डी फिरोजाबाद. Which is the correct option? Which is the center of India's glass blowing industry? कहाँ glass सबसे ज़्यादा produce होता था? Exactly, beautiful students. Correct answer is Firozabad. You all are loving the MCQs, and I understand that. In what kind of house does Mukesh live? Mukesh कैसे house में रहता था? Big house, small house, half built hut, a hut. क्या वो सब बहुत बड़े घर में रहता था, छोटे घर में रहता था, आधा बना हुआ हट में रहता था, या फिर सिर्फ हट में रहता था? A, B, C, D. Yes, the next question, Mukesh कहाँ रहता था? A big house, a small house, a half-built house or a hut? Yes. Where does he live? Yes. Exactly. No, D, A, B, C, D. Now, students, you all are not answering this question. Big house, small house, half-built house, or just a hut? Okay. So just a second. Now coming. Yes, the answer is half built house. Half built house is the correct option. Okay. All right. So okay, just a second. Okay. Yes. Now the next question is so the correct option is half built house. That is the correct option. The next question is what symbol from nature does the poet use to prove that keeping quiet is not total activity? Now, every single question you can find in this book. Okay, again, I'm saying all those students who've joined today, it's available in New Variety Store. It is near Shitla Mandir, opposite Punjab and Sindh Bank, and it's in the Tank Road, Sakchi. You can go and get this book from there. It's 50 rupees. More or less, 90% of the questions have matched from the model test paper, both objective and subjective. तो प्लीज इसको ध्यान से ले लेना. बोर्ड बूस्टर इज द नेम. All right. Yes, the correct option is C. The symbol of nature does the earth use to prove that keeping quiet is not total inactivity. All right. Okay. Earth. Fishermen in cold sea would not harm seahorses, mermaids, whales, or tortoises. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm. Question number 30 of set 3. Seahorses, whales, mermaids, or tortoises. What is the correct option? Yes, students. You. This is, I think, from the flamingo poems, and you need to answer it correctly because that's important as well. Which is the correct option? Whales. They did not want to. Now you'll find mermaids are super interesting. Let us go with that. Nahi, nahi, aise nahi karna. The correct option is whales. Why was the mother's face pale? The next question, 31. Mother ka face pale kyun tha? Due to her age, due to her illness, due to loneliness, as her daughter was going away. Why was this is the question from Mother, My Mother at 66, which is a poem by Kamala Das from your Flamingo book. So the question is, Mummy ka jo chehra tha, mother's face, why it was pale, why it had lost all color. A क्योंकि उनका एज की वजह से, बी क्योंकि उनके इलनेस की वजह से, सी क्योंकि उनके लोनलीनेस की वजह से, या फिर डी उनकी डॉटर उनको छोड़ के जा रही थी. लेट मी सी. Okay, okay. Yes, the correct option is people. A lot of people are saying because of her age. Now, is it the correct option? Is it the correct option? Was her face turning pale because of her age? Yes. Now the poem's title is My Mother at 66. So due to that natural age, the daughter somewhere realizes my mother can pass at she can go away at any moment. And now when she's leaving her and she's going to the airport, she's looking at her pale mother's pale face, and she realizes pale. Okay, Atik, I guess that I have spelled your pronounced your name correctly. Atik, yes. Pale means something which has lost all its color. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रंग उड़ जाना चेहरे का हम लोग बोलते हैं, जैसे कोई रंगों हाथ पकड़ा जाता है, या फिर किसी को बहुत खराब मार्क्स आ जाता है, या बहुत खराब खबर सुन लेता है. सो पेल इज दैट व्हेन यू लूज, व्हेन all the colors are lost, that is pale. Okay, so the correct option is due to her age. What is the poet's childhood fear? Childhood fear. What is the poet's childhood fear? A, mother's illness. B, mother's growing age. C, losing her mother forever. D, not meeting her soon. जो पोएट है कमला दास, उनका चाइल्डहुड फियर क्या है? बचपन से वो चाइल्डहुड फियर क्या है? मदर्स इलनेस, मदर्स ग्रोइंग एज, losing a mother forever, or not meeting her soon. Yes. Okay, yes, yes. Okay. All right. So the options are pouring in, and the correct option is because she is afraid that her mother might die after a certain age, and she's very afraid and very fearful of losing her mother. Okay. So that is what is the answer. And now again, like, coming to the next, identify the literary devices in like rootless weeds. Like rootless. Okay, this is a tongue twister. Like rootless weeds. ये क्या है? ये कौन सा literary device है? Simile, metaphor, alliteration या personification. Simile, metaphor, alliteration या personification. Come on, yes, answer. ओके यस प्लीज अभी पढ़ाई का बात कर लेते हैं. What is identify the literary devices? Literary devices होता है, metaphor होता है, simile होता है, alliteration होता है. क्या है यहाँ पर? Simile क्या किसको बोलते हैं? अब यहाँ पर देखो फ्रेज क्या लगा है, like rootless weeds. Like लग गया. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, this rose is this is this bag is red like a rose. You are looking beautiful like this. So like जब लग जाता है वो होता है simile. So the correct option is option number A, that is simile. What do the governor, inspector, visitor in the poem depict? What does the governor, inspector, visitor in the poem depict? Higher officials, government officials, political people, or powerful and influential people? Now, I'm so surprised and so happy to see that exact the same question I think I have given in this book. And I'm not lying. If you try to read this book, you'll understand, my students, that more or less 90% of the questions have matched. I'm not saying that they have based the model paper out of this, but 90% of the questions have matched from this book, which is Board Booster. Okay, so the details of it I will mention in the description box from where you can get it, but please get this book. You will definitely score more than 70, and I'm not lying. Okay, so please, you need to have this book with you, because more or less majority questions are from this book, or it is matching from this book. Okay, सो कम ऑन आंसर द क्वेश्चन. ये जो गवर्नर है, इंस्पेक्टर है, विजिटर है, ये किस तरह के लोग हैं? पोएम में क्या डिपिक्ट करता है? हायर ऑफिशियल डिपिक्ट करता है, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स डिपिक्ट करता है. सी ऑप्शन पॉलिटिकल पीपल डिपिक्ट करता है. डिपिक्ट मतलब दिखाता है, दर्शाता है. या फिर पावरफुल एंड इन्फ्लुएंशियल पीपल दिखाता है. व्हाट? कम ऑन. यस. Okay, yes. Now please let me know which is the correct option. Option number D. Okay, what are the? Okay, let me just read. Okay, now who is DSG? Sam. Okay. I know you respect me a lot and it means a lot for me. Thank you so much. But at least you can mention your name, because I don't know who you are. So it's just your short form which is mentioned. Yes, the correct option is option number D, powerful and influential people. How many time zones did Tishani Doshi across during a journey? So this is Journey to the End of the Earth. We are coming to the book Vistas, जो तुम लोग को आई डोंट नो, बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको लग रहा है कि मैम इट्स डिफिकल्ट. वैसे नहीं पढ़ोगे तो सारा चीज डिफिकल्ट लगेगा. बट हाउ मेनी टाइम जोन्स डिड टिशानी दोशी क्रॉस ड्यूरिंग हर जर्नी? शी इज द ऑथर of Journey to the End of the Earth. 6 time zones, 7 time zones, 9 time zones, 8 time zones. Okay, option A 6 time zones, option B 7 time zones, option C 9 time zones, option D 8 time zones. कितना टाइम जोन्स तिशानी दोशी द ऑथर ऑफ जॉर्नी टू द एंड ऑफ द अर्थ कितना टाइम जोन्स क्रॉस किए हैं? A 6, B 7, C 9 और D 8. How many? 6 or 9? How many did she crossed? How many did Tishani Doshi had crossed? Now let me just see how many questions are left. Okay. Just a second. Yes. So all right, yes, 6 time zones, 7 time zones, 9 time zones, or 8 time zones. We have only 4 questions left. Now, a lot of students are saying 6, a lot of students are saying 9. But as far as I remember, and I'm quoting from the book itself, it's written that he had crossed, sorry, it's a he, not she. He crossed 9 time zones, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water, and at least 3 ecospheres. So the correct answer is 9. Please note this, it's not 6, it's 9. All the students who have said 9, congratulations, you are correct. It's 9 time zones. तो ये प्लीज ये सारा क्वेश्चंस याद कर लो, ध्यान में रख लो, क्योंकि तुम्हारा जो मेन एग्जाम होने वाला है, कॉमर्स हो, साइंस हो या आर्ट्स हो, यहाँ पर वो इस मॉडल पेपर से ही मेजॉरिटी क्वेश्चंस आने वाला है, एंड आई थिंक इस बुक से भी मैच करेगा. सो प्लीज कीप स्टडिंग. ओके, let tigers now, for how many years has the program Students on Ice been in operation? 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. Students on the Ice program जो है वो कितने साल तक चला है? 5 साल, 6 साल, 7 साल, 8 साल. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yes, Babu Rao, I got it. Thank you so much. All right, now please answer the questions because that's really important. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 years. Now here you need to understand 9 checkpoints that Shani Doshi crossed during the journey to the end of the earth. And for how long this Students on Ice program was carried on, it was in operation, it was for 6 years. Let tigers beware. Who said this? Astrologers, palmists, Prince Jungjung Bahadur, or the ministers? Let tigers beware. Who said this? Yes, let tigers beware. Who said this? Let tigers beware. Who said this? Is it the astrologers or the palmist? Palmist, again, the person who reads the palm. C, Prince Jungjung Bahadur, or D, the ministers? Kaun bola hai? Yes, it is the option. Correct option is Jilani, the Maharaja Sir Jilani. Jungjung Bahadur was the one who said, let tigers beware. Okay, so this is the correct option. Coming to the next question. How many rings did the Maharaja send to British officers, good lady? 30, 40, 50, 60. How many rings did the Maharaja send to the British officer? Yes. Okay, I don't teach this chapter, so I need to be sure. Okay, how many? 50, 60, yes. 50, 60, 70, 30, 40, 50, 60. A 30, B 40, C 50, D 60. How many? 50. Okay, so please remember, this is from the chapter Tiger King. Maharaja कितना samples भेजा था, कितना rings, sample का जो ring का sample था वो भेजा था to the British officers, good lady. It was 50. Excellent. Mubashir, Manish, Supriya, Faisal. Let me just see students who are answering. It is 50. Deepak, Raju, Jay, Nabeen, Anisha. Yes, exactly. The correct option is 50. What was Dr. Sadau's age when he had been sent to America? What was Dr. Sadau's age when he had been sent to America? 21, 22, 23, 24. 21, 22, 23, 24. What was the age? A 21, B 22, C 23, D 24. A, B, C, D. Correct option batao. A 21, B 22, C 23, D 24. The correct option is B 22. Okay, what is the correct age? It is B 22. All right, now, in whose bedroom did Dr. Sadao carry the wounded man? His father's, his mother's, his children, his own. किसके बेडरूम में वो जापानीज सोल्जर को डॉक्टर सदाओ, सॉरी, अमेरिकन सोल्जर को डॉक्टर सदाओ लेके गए थे? अपने पापा के रूम में, अपनी मम्मी के रूम में, अपने चिल्ड्रन के रूम में, अपने रूम में? Where did to whose bedroom did Dr. Sadao carried the wounded soldier? Yes, just a second. Yes, he carried the wounded soldier to whose just a second. I think there's some confusion here. Yes, the correct answer is, okay, a lot of students are saying fathers, but again, I need to be very sure. He took took him to an empty bedroom, so that's for sure. Okay. Okay, can anybody tell me who helped Dr. Sadao in treating the wounded soldier? Who helped Dr. Sadao in treating the wounded soldier? Who helped Dr. Sadao in treating the wounded soldier? Did that maid help, or did his wife help, or did his father help? Who helped? Hana, exactly, his wife Hana. She's the one who helped him. And I think his father's, a lot of say people, students are saying his own. A lot of students are saying his father's. But I think the correct option will be his father's. You need to check this once again, because let me just verify this once with the because I have not taught this chapter, so I need to be very sure about the answer. All right. Okay, a white man's room open. He waited and lifted the old man. Okay. So, yes. All right. So, okay. So, till here, we had completed our first one set of term one. Okay. The first set of term one. Now, do you want me to continue with term two today, or we shall begin with term two? Then, because yesterday we already did one set of term two. That is set two of term two. Today we set one of term two we did yesterday. Today, do you want me to continue with set two of term two? Or do you want me to do that on 26th? Because tomorrow and day after, 24th and 25th, I'll be dealing with elective. 26th again, I'll be coming live for English core. So do you want me to do it on 26th, or do you want me to do it today? Yes, let me see how many students, as per the vote, I'll go on 26th or today. Okay, a lot of students are saying, ma'am, net khatam ho gaya, ma'am. Students are saying, okay. So 26, yes, your exams are beginning from 28th and or 29th. It depends on IE, ICOM or ISC, 28th or 29th. So I think you will have ample time to prepare for set two. So I request everyone to just a second. Yes. All of you, no, see, don't put me in this muddle where I don't know what to do. A lot of students are saying, ma'am, please continue today. A lot of students are saying, ma'am, continue. So please, 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 I want you all to tell me where do you want me to, oh my God. Do you really? Okay, so you can have your dinner sitting there, keeping a phone in front of you. Okay, so let me do one thing. We'll begin with term two today, but we'll not complete it today because it's too much. So again, students are saying, please, ma'am, aaj ke liye bahut hai. Now see, you people decide on your own what you have to want to do. Okay, fine. Without wasting any time, let us just jump to the conclusion. Let me just see. Set two of term two. Okay. All right. Okay, now set two of term two today. Just a second. Okay. Set two of term two. Give me a second so that I can just share this with the students, because I think a lot of students don't know this is going on. So I need to share this again with the students. Just give me a second. Okay. Till then, you can. Yes, I'm just continuing. Just give me a second. Okay. So term two will be your again 1.5 hours. So term one is completed. It's completely objective. 1.5 hours khatam ho gaya. Now term two aata again 1.5 hours, which is 40 marks. In this, you will be having options. Okay. So पहला section, इसमें कितना section है? 4 section है. सेक्शन ए है, सेक्शन बी है, सेक्शन सी है और सेक्शन डी है. आज हम टर्म टू शुरू नहीं करेंगे. आज हम सिर्फ एक आउटलाइन बता रहे हैं क्या है. Now, term two is having your 4 sections: section A, section B, section C, and section D. I'm talking about English core. Now, section A is all about comprehension. So there are 7 questions, out of which I think you need to answer any 5. Okay, there are 7 questions in section A. एक comprehension है. Comprehension मतलब unseen passage है, and you need to answer any 5 questions out of the 7 questions which are given. So section A is done. Coming to your section B, it's all about writing skills, whether it is a letter or whether it is a notice or whether it is a report or whether it is an article. Whatever they want to give you, they'll give you 3 questions in section B, and you have to answer any 2. अब तुम जो भी कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करना चाहते हो, वेदर तुम रिपोर्ट आंसर करना चाहते हो, लेटर आंसर करना चाहते हो, और आर्टिकल करना चाहते हो, और नोटिस करना चाहते हो, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स. वो 3 ऑप्शन में तुमको कौन सा 2 चुनना है. ठीक है. सो सेक्शन ए 7 क्वेश्चंस, 5 आंसर करना है. सेक्शन बी राइटिंग स्किल है, जिसमें से 3 क्वेश्चंस है, 2 आंसर करना है. कमिंग टू सेक्शन सी. नाउ सेक्शन ए हम मार्क्स नहीं बताए तुम लोग को. सेक्शन ए में जो 5 क्वेश्चंस आंसर करना है वो 2 मार्क्स ईच है. सेक्शन बी में जो 2 क्वेश्चंस आंसर करना है वो 5 मार्क्स ईच है. ओके. सेक्शन सी में आ जाते हैं. अगेन देयर आर 1 to 7 questions. So section C comes to the literature part. Okay, literature part आ गया. Flamingo and Vistas दोनों combined है. Now इसमें 7 questions है, and 7 में से तुमको कोई 5 आंसर करना है, which is 3 marks each. So total 15 marks. सेक्शन सी में 7 क्वेश्चंस है बेस्ड ऑन लिटरेचर, विस्तास एंड फ्लेमिंगो, एंड उसमें से तुमको 5 क्वेश्चंस आंसर करना है, विच इज ऑफ 3 मार्क्स ईच. सेक्शन सी हो गया. सेक्शन डी में जैसे आते हैं 2 क्वेश्चंस है विस्तास और फ्लेमिंगो के बीच अगेन, एंड यू हैव टू आंसर एनी 1 क्वेश्चन विच इज 5 मार्क्स ईच. तो ये लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन है. तो जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी तक सिर्फ एमसीक्यू पढ़ के बैठे हैं, उनको लग रहा है वो सब्जेक्टिव तो मैटर नहीं करता है, 40 मार्क्स is subjective. So you need to be very thorough with it. Section A समझ गए, it's unseen passage. Section B तुम्हारा writing skill है. Section C तुम्हारा literature में short answer question है, 3 marks each, 5 answer करना है. और सेक्शन डी में भी लिटरेचर क्वेश्चन है, लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन है, सिर्फ एक आंसर करना है, 5 मार्क्स. एक फ्लेमिंगो प्रोस से है, एक विस्तास से पूछा गया है. अब चॉइस तुम्हारा है कौन सा लॉन्ग आंसर तुम करना चाहोगे. ओके. नाउ ऑल राइट. सो till here I'll just finish the live right now, because this is now tomorrow, 26. Please remember the date. On 26 we'll come and do the set 2 of term 2. We'll do this entire paper, and I'll also tell you how many questions I have matched from this book, so that tum book se directly answers pad sakte ho. Okay, so thank you so much. Any questions, any concluding questions which you have, which I can answer right now within 2 minutes, or else I'll just conclude the live. Please let me know any concluding questions which you have, which I can answer right now, or else I'll just finish the live. Thank you so much for being so wonderful, joining the live again through the other link. Yes, my laptop left me in between, and the battery, I just ran out of battery. So okay, thank you so much. Please keep studying. All the best for your exams. We'll meet again on 26th. English core tomorrow and day after I will be coming live, but that will be only for elective students. So all the elective students out here, tomorrow and day after, 24th and 25th will be completely elective session, because 26th these people are having their exams. 26th, 27th will be completely English core. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for being wonderful audience, and you all had answered the question so beautifully. Thank you so much. Good night. Please take care of yourself. We'll meet again. English core students, we'll meet again on 26th. Elective, we'll meet tomorrow again. Same time, 9 p.m. Raat 9 baje. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So I'll end the live here. Thank you so much. Please take care of yourself and stay safe, because that's very important. Okay, and spread love as much as you can. Thank you so much.